Well, I've got 7 fantastic ways that are guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. To make a woman miss you, you need to provide her with something truly special, something she won't find anywhere else. This is effective whether you're in a committed relationship or simply engaging in conversation. So get ready to dive into these exciting tips. Number 1, avoid contacting her. When you constantly chase and pursue women, they won't have the chance to miss you. But if you create some distance and limit your communication, you'll stay on her mind. She'll start wondering about your activities and what you're up to. The fact that she hasn't heard from you will ignite her imagination, making her think about you being with other women. Jealousy might even start to creep in. By not contacting her, you show her that you're independent and don't rely on her to live your life. The reason why this no-contact approach works is because it triggers a feeling of rejection. When a man demonstrates that he can handle life without her, she realizes that she's an option, not a necessity for him. Ironically, this kind of rejection makes her desire you even more. The reason romantic rejection can get us hooked is because it stimulates certain parts of our brain associated with motivation, reward, addiction, and cravings. So by giving her space and not always being available, you'll make her crave your presence even stronger. Number 2, show her you have vibrant life. When a woman is missing you, one of the first places she'll check is your social media. If she sees little to no updates from you, she might assume that you're not up to much. People tend to think that if it's not on social media, it didn't happen. So go ahead and share some of your achievements and fun experiences online. You don't have to come across as boastful or arrogant. Even if you don't have major wins or successes, simply posting a nice picture of yourself, knowing it will catch her attention, will do the trick. By subtly dropping hints of your accomplishments and happy moments, you let her know that she's missing out on your life events. Women love to feel involved in a man's life as it makes them feel truly connected to you. Number 3, drive her crazy with curiosity. Resist the attention bait. When she realizes that you haven't reached out or she hasn't heard from you, she might try to indirectly grab your attention, often through social media. She might post a nice picture of herself or share a subtle status related to you. These actions are her way of trying to get you to notice her. But here's the interesting part. Don't give in to the temptation. If she posts pictures, don't like them. Ignore them altogether. By doing so, you leave her eagerly waiting, wondering if you'll notice or show any form of acknowledgement. The moment you like her pictures, you're giving her the validation she seeks. She'll notice that none of those likes are coming from you, and it will drive her crazy with curiosity. Number 4, be more mysterious. Avoid being overly eager and be more mysterious when she reaches out to you, because she definitely will. It's important not to show excessive excitement upon hearing from her. Being overly enthusiastic is a major turnoff for women because it signifies dependence. When you appear too excited, it gives her the impression that you've been longing for her contact and eagerly waiting by the phone. Even if that's not the case, it's the image she creates in her mind. Instead, play it cool and maintain a sense of mystery. Keep your responses brief and straightforward, but still friendly. A simple greeting like, "Hey, how are you?" is cordial enough to acknowledge her, but also vague enough to pique her interest. Number 5, evoke a sense of jealousy. Create a sense of jealousy. This doesn't mean you have to go on a full-fledged date or start talking to someone else. It can be as simple as posting a picture with your friends where there happens to be a woman present. You could even tag a woman in your pictures, knowing that she will notice and potentially stalk her page to figure out who she is. Whether she's just a friend or not, the point is that your ex's imagination always jumped to the possibility of you being involved with another woman. Even posting a picture of your celebrity crush can evoke a sense of jealousy in a woman. The key here is to show her that you have other options besides her, because in reality, It's about demonstrating that you have a life full of possibilities and that she's not the only person occupying your attention. This little touch of jealousy can make her realize that she might be missing out on something special. Number 6. Emotions related to you. Giving her a unique nickname. This is a surefire way to make her miss you, because every time she hears that nickname, it will automatically bring you to her mind. However, it's important to choose a nickname that's not too rare or uncommon. It should be something she's likely to encounter again. The key is to make the nickname meaningful and relevant to her. You could create a nickname based on her favorite food, TV show, color, or anything else that holds significance to her. By doing this, you're building associations between those things and memories of you. In psychology, this is known as associative memory, and it's highly effective in triggering thoughts and emotions related to you. Number 7. Associated with strong leaders. Women absolutely adore learning from a man, as teaching and mentorship are qualities associated with strong leaders. Women naturally desire to be guided by a man they trust. If you can introduce her to something she hasn't known before, she'll be eternally grateful to you. When a woman sees a man who is willing and capable of teaching her, it signifies confidence, competence, and a caring nature. This trait is undeniably important in making her miss you. Ultimately, making a woman miss you is quite simple. It involves understanding the female psyche and recognizing that women are highly emotional beings. Number 8. Give her space. Giving your partner space to pursue their own interests is a crucial aspect of a healthy relationship. It's important to encourage and support her when you give her the freedom to pursue her own interests. It allows her to have a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment outside of the relationship. This independence not only enhances her personal growth, but also strengthens the bond between you both. It shows that you trust and believe in her abilities. By encouraging her to pursue her own interests, you create a healthy balance in the relationship of the time spent together. It also prevents the relationship from becoming suffocating or stagnant. And thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please show some love by hitting like and subscribe button. See you in next video.